Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is words with vowel sound of E. Students, you all know E sounds A. E sounds A. In today's session, we will understand words with vowel sound A. We will see the words coming in between and even starting with it. Let us start the session. Our first combination is A, D, Ed. When we join E with letter D, it makes sound A, D, Ed. Let us understand words with Ed sound. Bed, fed, red, led, wed. Now, let us understand words with A, G, egg sound. When we join G, G with sound A, it makes A, G, egg sound. Let's see words with it. Beg, egg, keg, leg, peg. Let us now join T, T sound with A. A, T makes et. A, T makes et. Let us understand words with et sound. Bet, get, jet, let, met, pet, net, set, wet. There are so many words with a, t, et sound. Let us move forward and understand different words with a sound. Let us blend n with a. A, n makes n. A, n makes n. Let us read words with n sound. Den, hen, men, pen, ten. Yes, there are many words with a, n sound. Let us move forward with our last blending sound, which is a, l, l. Here students, you can see e, double l, which makes sound l, and words like bell, fell, sell, tell, well. Students, E is a vowel. E produces sound A. We can make many words by blending different sounds together. In today's session, we learned S sound words. I hope you all are very clear with it. That's all for today's session.